Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove all transitions you have applied at once on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since I want to edit video, I'm going to choose video based. Okay, and then I'm just going to add videos or photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add videos or photos from my pins folder. Okay, here I'm just going to add photos. I'm going to pick random photos from here. Wait, I'm gonna go with this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Okay, and click on next. All right, and then I'm going to apply transitions to the clips or the photos. If you want to add transition guys, we can click on this plus icon. Oops. Okay, and then you can choose the transition that you like. Okay, for the transition, I'm just going to click on, I'm just going to select the dissolve one transition. Okay, and then we can adjust the duration right here. All right, and I'm going to apply this one as well. I'm going to apply different transitions. Okay, and I'm gonna apply blur as well. And for the last one, I'm going to apply made transition. I'm going to apply the square one. Okay, and I have applied transitions to all my photos, as you can see, and I'm going to show you guys how we can remove all these transitions at once. If you want to do that, we can click on one of the transition, and then you're going to select the known transition and then click on applied all. Okay, and as you can see guys, that all the transitions have been removed from my video, except this one, because this is not transition but it's like intro. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, then that's all the way to remove all transition at once on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.